Hello, dear Santander students. My name is Saksham Singh. Hope you are staying at home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools remain closed, we should study through videos. Today we study computer, and the topic is use of insert tab in MS Word. As you can see, we have in previous video we have completed the home tab. First of all, we open this Microsoft Word, double click on it. As you see, we have completed home tab in the previous videos. Now moving forward, we click on this insert tab. As you see, insert tab is also divided into subgroups, that is pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and footer, text and symbols. So moving forward, let's start studying today. As you see, this cover page option new. Now question is, what is cover page? And the answer is, cover page is the first page of the document, and it includes the title of the page, running head, the author's name, institutional name and an author's note. So why we use cover page? And another question is, why we use cover page? We use cover page to make the whole document or book, we can say that, or we can say a magazine, to make attractive. As all of you see any of your book, the first page is the cover page in this book, blank. As you can see this book, all of you seen this? This is the cover page of this book, the writer's name and the book's title. As you see, this is the cover page of this book. All of you understand? Now another question is, how we insert cover page. So as you can see, when we click on this arrow, a small arrow, you can see a number of cover page has been given. You can choose any of your choice. So I choose any of them you want. I choose this. You can see this, type the document. This is the company cover page. You type here a company name, type of company, either this is FMCG or any, and type the document title and type the document subtitle, and next you can write on it. So all of you understand? This is the first page. You make it attractive so that people can, or we can say in a book people can buy, or you can see in magazines there is a attractive cover page so that people can buy this magazine. All of you understand what is cover page, why we use and how we insert that. Now moving forward, we will come to the blank page. Now moving forward, we will come to the blank page. So what is blank page? Blank page, it is used to insert a page in between a document. Whenever you miss something or a whole page of your writing, when you write a document, you can use this blank page option and insert this blank page in between the document. All of you understand why we use blank page? Let us consider another example in a simple language. So simple example is, so if you miss something like between page 4 and 5, then bring the cursor on the end of the page number 4 and then click on this blank page option. Now your new page is inserted between page number 4 and page number 5. All of you understand how we insert blank page and why we use? Both points are clear. Now moving forward, as you can see, this page break option. Page break, it is used to start the next page of the current position. As I relate this option in your daily life, when you write in a copy, all of you writing a chapter or making notes of in your copy, on a page there is some space left. Whenever you write and you start a next chapter, there is some space left on the previous page, but you have to start a new chapter. So you left that blank space and start a new chapter on the next page. So in MS Word, this blank space left, you need, whenever you left a blank space, you need a page break. All of you understand? You need a page break there. All of you understand these 3 points: cover page, blank page, and page break. Now moving forward, as you can see, there is a option to insert table in MS Word. So table, what is table? Table is the intersection of rows and columns. So why we use tables in a document? And the answer is, there is a requirement in a document to insert table. Let's take an example. When I write a note on India, the topic is India, we describe all the things about India, but when I write there are 28 states and 8 UTs, Union Territories, and all these have their own capital. So there is a requirement of table over there. We make the table where one side is a state and another side is capital. So how we insert table? Let's take an example. Click on this arrow. You can insert table maximum of the size 10 cross 8. All of you understand? But here I choose only this one. Okay, you can change the colors of your table also, table style which you want. Okay, so I write here state and capital. First state is UP and its capital is Lucknow. Next I Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Next Rajasthan, Jaipur. All of you understand the use of table? You can change that style of your table. As you can see, the style has been changed according to your choice. Okay, there are more styles available there. You can choose any of your choice of your style. Okay, all of you understand what is table, why we use table, how we insert table in MS Word. So in insert tab we have completed this page group and table group. Now there is a homework for all of you. Please note down on it. So there is a homework, question number 1. What is cover page? Another is, what is table in MS Word? Question 3. Write down the steps to insert tables in. So hopefully in the previous video I have given you questions. Hopefully you have done it in your copy, but there is no screenshot or picture is posted on the comment page. Please do homework and learn from these videos. So thank you and have a nice day.